An Orange County woman who knows about the struggle of homelessness firsthand is making a choice to do something about it. In tonight's Life Connected, NBC4's Vikki Vargas and photojournalist Kevin Dahlgren take us inside a place called Grandma's House of Hope.
Patrick Kreitner says there is a sense of respect among these women. They know each other's pain. They know each other's challenges.
I wasn't doing well. I was sleeping in a car.
And they know they have a place to call home. Kreitner founded Grandma's House of Hope 15 years ago because she was there once too. A failed relationship left her alone, caring for her young son, living in motels a few days at a time.
It was a moment of utter despair.
Security came before food.
I could smell the hamburgers cooking from Carl's Jr. and I didn't have 99 cents, $1.06, in order to pay for a hamburger for my son. And that was probably my deepest low.
Her journey out of homelessness was slow. She met a man who taught her to trust again with these words.
Janae, you don't belong out there.
She eventually married Patrick Kreitner and made another vow to help others.
My connection to those women is that I see me in every one of them.
Women like Crystal Street, a former client at Grandma's House of Hope. She now coordinates services for clients among the 14 shelters.
God put me in this position in a homeless position to humble myself in order to be able to give back to others.
Grandma's House of Hope has a number of connections among the adults, but there are programs specifically for children as well. The Cherry Orchard Community Center serves 44 formerly homeless families. Children learn life skills from Linda Turner, who knew Janae Kreitner before she was homeless.
And I think it was a strong enough connection from way ago that when you pick up pieces years later, what you have is a new story, but you have the anchor of the past.
As of today, Grandma's House of Hope has helped 2,700 men and women permanently improve their lives.
You just learn to love each other as family. We connect as sisters.
Janae hopes that family continues to grow through the connections that encourage her clients to leave the past and plan their future.
I can't tell you how many of them say, I want to do what you do one day. And I'm like, yes, because we need more Grandma's House of Hope.
High five.
In Anaheim, Vikki Vargas, NBC4 News.
Ladies, thank you so much.
The shelter we featured in this story is known as the Legacy Shelter and is funded mostly by Orange County. The rest of the programs are funded through private donations. So if you'd like to know more or perhaps donate, you can go to our website, NBCLA.com, and search House of Hope.